I would say that I miss you so much, and I miss Cine so much too. As everybody know, we have to stay home. It's quarantine time. It's the safer place for us all this time. And sometimes it's hard to have so much time home and you can't find something to do. So today I wanna give you some tips of what you should do, okay? My first tip is to exercise, okay? Do anything you can inside your house. It's going to be great, not only for your body, but for your mind too. My second tip is for you to study something, okay? Learn how to cook or how to paint, draw, how to write better, anything. The best is to learn something and use it in the future. My third tip is for you to read books. I love books, and books are the best way to travel without leaving your house. So you should try. You can read classicals as Ragtime or Brave New World. You can read bestsellers as Hunger Games or Divergent, Twilight, anything. You can read romances, anything. Just read. You're going to travel without leaving your home. Another tip is to spend time with your family because they are the best person in the world. You can be sure they are your best company. So just ask things you never asked and laugh about silly things and watch movies together. Do anything together, dance in the living room, anything. Just have good time together. And of course, you can watch Netflix too. You can find a lot of good stuff in there. You can watch it with your family too. And these were my tips for your quarantine time, guys. I hope we can leave this problem behind soon. And I hope to see you soon too. Okay? Love you. Bye bye.